paper 1, a question on mapping and directions. So it's saying that the diagram below shows a mapping from set D to set R. Okay? So I have this diagram showing a mapping from set D to set R. Okay? So now, remember I said if you have been given a diagram like this, I said the first set represents the X values. Then the second set represents the what? The Y values, or the entries of what? Y. So in this case, all these entries in the first set represents the X values. So you can say this one is your X, this one is also what? Your X, this one is X, okay, this one is X, okay, then this represents Y. So this one is Y, this one is Y, this one is Y, this one is also what? Y, okay. Now we're being told to say, find the value of X. Find the value of X. They want us to find the value of X. Okay? So in this case, for us to find the value of X, we have been given two sets. Set D and set D R. Okay? And these, it's like these, they represent what? Coordinates. Okay? So we have got this one is like this. The first one is we have got 3, 11. Okay? 3, 11. Then we have got 5, 15. Okay, then you have got 7, 19, and then you have got 11, 11, X. Okay, so it's like these are coordinates. Okay, so if we had to plot these, if let's say I've got an XY plane like this, say I've got an XY plane like this, just a simple one. So remember, these represents the X values. X, this is what? G. This is 1. So let's say I've got 3. That's the base value for X. Then I've got 5. Then I've got, let's say, 7 here. Okay. Then on the other side, you have got what? The first value of Y is what? 11. Okay. So let's say I've got 11 somewhere here. This is 11. Then I've got 15. Let's say I've got 15. Then you have got what? 19 somewhere here. So let's say this is where 19 is. So if we had to plot this one, the first one is 3,11, 3,11 somewhere here. Then you have got 5,15 somewhere here. Then you have got 7,19, 7,19, this is 19. So it's like when we join these points, okay? When we join these points, we're going to come up with supposed to be a straight line. I need to have a straight line. We're going to have a straight line like this, okay? So it's like these coordinates, they are forming a straight line, okay? They are forming a straight line. This is our 3, 11, 5, 15, and 7, 19. Okay? Now we're being told to find the value of what? Dx, which is a y value. Okay? So in this case, we know that since they are forming a straight line, we know the equation of a straight line. Okay? So we know the equation of a straight line is given by y is equal to mx plus, see, this is the standard equation of a straight line. Okay? Now since you have these coordinates, you have got you have got x, y, x, y. You can say this is our x1, then x2. You can say this is our y1, then you have got y2. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to use these two pairs to come up with an equation. Then from that equation, you're going to come up with a formula which is going to help us to find the missing value of y, which is x. Okay? So the equation is given by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, open up the brackets, x minus x1. Okay? So what it means is in this equation, you need to substitute what there is y1, you put y1, which is what? In this case, what is y1? It is 11. Okay? So I'm going to say y minus 11 is equal to what is y2? Take note. Y2 is what? 15. So it's 15 minus what is y1? Take note, is 11. 11 over what is our x2? X2 is 5. Okay? So it's 5 minus what is our x1? X1 is 3. X1 is 3. So you put 3 where x1 is. Then open up the brackets. You maintain this x. x minus, what is our x1? x1 it's 3. Our x1 is what? It's 3. So you move on, you say you maintain y minus 11 is equal to, you find the difference. What is 15 minus 11? 15 minus 11, you get what? You get 4 over 5 minus 3, you get 2. Open up the brackets, you maintain x minus 3. Okay. Then you can move on. We maintain our y minus 11. Okay, is equal to 2 into 4, you get what? You get 2. Open up the brackets, x minus 3. Okay. Then you maintain y minus 11 is equal to, you can expand by multiplying what is outside by what is inside. So 2 times x, you get 2x minus 2 times 3, you get what? You get 6. Okay? Now since you know what the standard equation is given by what? Y is equal to mx plus c. So meaning we need to make y the subject of the formula in this case. Okay? Because we have in the standard you have got y this side. So we need to have y this side alone, okay? So we say for us to remain with y this side, just say y is equal to 2x minus 6. And when you transpose this negative 11 on the other side, so we are going to have what? Positive 11. Then you say y is equal to 2x negative 6 plus 11, you get positive what? Positive 5. So this is now our formula which is going to help us. Okay, this is our formula which is describing what is happening here. Okay, this is our formula we are going to utilize. Okay, to find the value of what? The value of x, which is part and parcel of what? Y. So we are going to use this same formula. We say, in our case, let us get this pair of coordinates here for this one. This one is 11 comma x. Okay, and take note, the first value represents x. So 11 is for x. So this one is an x value, and then this one is what? Y value. Okay? So I'm saying, take note, 11. It is on which part? On the part of what? X. Okay? Then x belongs to what? X belongs to y. Okay? X belongs to what? Y. 11 belongs to x. In short, 11 it is an entry of x. Then x, it is an entry of what? Y. So what we're going to do is, where there is x in our equation, we're going to put 11, and where there is y, we're going to put what? X. So I was saying, where there is y, you put x. So this is our equation. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. And take note, I said, where there is y, you put what? X. So I'm going to put x where y is equal to 2. Where there is x, you just put 11 plus what? Plus 3. Okay? So you say x is equal to 2 times 11, you get what? 22 plus 5. Then you say x is equal to 22 plus 5, you get what? 27. So 27, this is the value of what? The value of x. So meaning here we have got 27. Okay? So the value of x is what? 27. But if you want to just look at what is happening here, you realize in terms of the x values, in terms of the x values, what is happening is pertaining to set D. Look at set D. Set D, they are adding 2 to each number. So you realize what is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 11. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 7 plus 2 is supposed to have a 9 here. It's supposed to have a 9. But it has been skipped. Okay? Then 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay? So since they have skipped 9 this side, they also need to skip a number this side. Okay? This side, they also need to skip a number this side. Okay, what about pertaining to set R? What is happening is, let us look at what is happening. Okay, in this case, they are adding a 4 to each number. So 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. So we're supposed to have 23 here. Okay, then 23 plus 4, you're going to get 27, which is our answer, which is our x. Okay, so the value of x is 27.